Release, release, release.
Fire. You're going to space.
My father used to tell me that there are more stars in the sky than there are grains of sand on the earth. Yeah, only a handful of people in the world have been to space, and we will change that. Space should be for everyone. We will change the world for good through access to space. We want to make room for the next generation by building a Spaceline for Earth. This is just the beginning of Virgin Galactic in the same way that the Wright brothers was the beginning for airline travel. And we're proud through Virgin Galactic to be a vanguard of the new space age. In the same way that my generation had wonderful explorers that we looked up to, we want to create the heroes of the future. When most people think of space travel, they look backwards. I want people to be inspired by the space missions of today and the space missions of tomorrow.
3, 2, 1, release, release, release.
This is a moment for all of us.
Fire. Fire. 10, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 9, trim set, max speed is 325. Mach 2.5. Mach 3. Should shut down. Welcome to space.
This is the culmination of the curiosity and dreams of the human race.